The sound's not gonna be on. They're not gonna be able to hear you. Oh no, it's not music on there.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Looking at the camera?
Hey guys, so I am on my way to the dinner. I feel bad because I'm like late. I'm like 14 minutes late, but they're still waiting to be seated. We're going to 2 Urban Licks, so I will see you guys when I get there. I normally don't like, well, I'm not gonna say that, but yeah, I'm almost there. Again, I need to learn to start going out more because tonight, like, I was gonna find a reason to cancel like I always do. And I really just gotta stop doing that. I'm glad I didn't cancel. I wasn't even gonna do my makeup, y'all. Like, I was gonna make no effort. But I'm glad I did, so, yeah. Right. fun. You know, like when you're off work, you can't just like work all day. So yeah, it was just nice to get cute, you know, and get out the house on the weekend. I think tomorrow, not like a theme park, but like I think it was like gaming or something. I don't know. It was something that I saw on Instagram. Right now, I'm going to just take my makeup off, you know, get ready for the night, and yeah, basically get ready for tomorrow. I really like my nail. I know it's just so simple. I told them I want the OPI bubble bath, and yeah, this is what I got. And yeah, get ready for bed. I'm so tired. I feel like I've done so much today. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It's 11:53. So yeah, I'll be back. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so damn proud. Lay your head down on the pillow. Turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your cells go. Now you're getting real close. Baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here. I'll try again one day. We'll see. Your hands and down my pillow, so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you, leaving bruises on my feet. Obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm faded on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you today, everything my car. I want to take a see you from afar. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every cent of what's glass and try to bright. Break you a song to you, run out here is now. Let's bring it round to one to form the cloud. Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them, we could be just us two. I'm faded on my knees. It's so much that I need. I've ordered you today in my car. I want to take a see you from afar. If you stand around, it's only I would like. Every cent of what's glass and try to protect. Break you a song to you, run out here is now. Let's bring it round to one to form the cloud. Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them, we could be just us two. Do you like them just for me? I'm faded on my knees. And this is the aftermath of me doing my smoothies. A lot of good stuff I put in there. So yeah, now I just have to clean up. Oh, is that your phone?
Keith. Do it again.
I know you're tired.
Come on.
You
Hey,
okay?
so come on. Hold on.
What's happening?
Babe, come on. Give me a hug.
Gotta be cooking.
Huh?
Gotta be cooking.
Give me a hug.
You gonna leave with all that sauce on? Wow! What are you eating? Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Can you start the food soon? Or when I call you? I'll call you in like 30 minutes after the food be ready. Is that fine? Is it? Alright, will it be fine? Will the food be ready? I love you.
Love you.